Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Ina Talks. I'm happy to have you here. Merry Christmas. We're officially in the holiday season and I think today's video is going to be hitting the right spot because it's an official seasonal gift guide video that is aimed to help you to understand what kind of gifts you're gonna get for the loved ones if you haven't got any. And I'm kind of worried for you if you haven't got any of those yet, because that means you need some more fresh ideas, more guidance, more understanding of what could be useful to them. And that's why we're here. I actually have a very special stocking that is aimed at helping me to collect those things that I consider really useful and really delightful for those people who are going to receive the gifts. But first things first, I believe that before you even get to choosing the gifts and trying to understand who's gonna get what and what kind of ideas you're gonna be leaning on the most, I think there are a couple of ideas to keep in your mind. The first tip is actually to stick to the hobbies or passions of the person who you're going to prepare the gift for, because we all know that everyone likes something, right? It makes sense. They might be a gym rat, they might do fishing, they might do dancing, they might knit, like whatever that can be. And all of the hobbies, all of the activities that we're actively involved in, they usually need maintenance. They need gear, they need tools, they need appliances, etc., etc. And that is the like a very large field which can be extremely helpful to us as the gift givers and the Santa helpers, for us like not to lose the clue, but to have a good actually path in terms of finding the most wonderful gift for the person. If you absolutely have no idea what the person might be liking, I think it also makes sense to actually just go out there, reach out to them and ask them what they might actually like, because it also can happen so that they already know what they would like to receive, because the holiday season is not a surprise for most of us, and they might pretty much tell you straightforward what they would like to receive from you, or give you some kind of pointers which could be really helpful, or some innuendos that could be nice. And it's just gonna be a more direct, more straightforward way for you to follow. In case we're choosing a gift for a person we do not know very well, or it's an acquaintance or colleague, or a person that we just would like to establish a connection with, but there's again not much familiarity that we can lean on, I believe that we could stay within the topicality of the season, holiday season, so to say. And by that I mean some decorations for the New Year tree, because a lot of people put up New Year or Christmas trees in their homes. We're also talking about some fluffy, cute winter socks that people, of course, could throw away as soon as they see them, or after they see them, hopefully. But still, like those kind of things, they remain within the niche. Let's not forget about the hats, the scarves in the winter season, the gloves, for example, that keep your hands warm. And in case the person lives in not a very warm climate, they also might be really enjoying those kind of presents that you could give to them. And it also shows some kind of a subtle care that you show for them, even if you don't care that much for now. But still, I think that is a nice vibe, and that is a nice thought that is behind such a gift. Another idea could also be the kitchen utensils, like how do you pronounce this word? I'm not so sure. Please let me know in the comments if you know how to pronounce this. We're talking about the really beautifully decorated or just really nice plates or forks or small teaspoons, or that could also be the cloth, the tablecloth that you place for holiday season, or even throughout the year. It doesn't matter that much. I also find these things extremely cute and nice and wonderful as a gift idea, because all of us, like all human beings, they eat and they have some kind of a kitchen space, area, room, like whatever that can be. And we just like to do that in peace. We sometimes like to do that in the among the family members. We like doing that with some kind of a celebratory mood, and I think that is also a wonderful clue to follow in this activity. Okay, and now it's time for us to use this very cute stocking that I was showing. I think I'm overusing this for this video, actually, frankly speaking. I just wanted to say that one of the most wonderful gifts that I received this year was from Me to Me, and I do practice that. I buy gifts for myself in case I definitely do not want to be disappointed and I'm not ready to tell the others what exactly I would like to receive, because sometimes, you know, like, I don't know, there's some cluelessness, there's some confusion, there's life happening, you know, like, and you don't know exactly what could be a wonderful gift for yourself until you do. So that is the thing. And this gift is actually an instant camera. You can take a look at it. It's called, I think it's called Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. It's one of the recent models that we've had, and you can see it's quite large. It has this area for the photo cards on which the image is going to be printed, and it's being done within like 5 seconds after you actually pushed the button. This button is here, and it shows how many photo stockages you are gonna, I don't see, I think there are 6 more tries that I can take with this camera. And it's just been a blast, because as you know, previously I went to Ukraine and I took quite a few pictures there. It was just so fun. It's such a cute and really precious way to save the memories, to keep them. It definitely feeds into your nostalgia. It doesn't provide, of course, the high resolution image. It doesn't provide this like really neat, you know, quality of the photo. It's a bit smudged. It's retro look and vibe. And I think it's just wonderful. It gives the right kind of feeling when you have it actually done. So we can like put it here already. We can put it into our stocking. I'm actually not sure that I'm gonna put this into this cute stocking that I have. This looks very heavy. Like, it's kind of heavy. If you think about it, it's actually an ankle weight. And since you probably already know, I am some sort of a gym rat. I'm really in my gym era and I'm enjoying it a lot. And this ankle weight is 2 kilos, 2 kilos heavy. And you just put it around your ankle and you're able to have additional weight to exercise, to put more stamina, to put more effort into whatever workout you're doing, for your legs, for your torso, whatever you're basically doing. Like, you're gonna be receiving more results just because you have more weight included. As you can see, the hobby-related presents, they are quite specific and they hit the right spot if the person is waiting for that kind of treatment. I actually think we're getting really cozy tonight because we're gonna wrap ourselves in the like very nice emerald green blanket and just gonna reminisce about the past memories of the previous years while we're waiting for the new year to come and to actually bring us the surprises that we're expecting, not unpleasant surprises that we would not like to have. So I guess the next gift on the list is a very soft, cuddly, cute and fluffy plaid blanket that could be used just for the cold summer evening, or it could be used as a winter seasonal gift when we're talking about Christmas. And I don't see how this could not be gifted for the Thanksgiving, because I think it could as well be a very good present for that time as well. I think it's a marvelous idea to lean to. Think about it. The last but not least gift idea that could be also potentially interesting to you is definitely the book. I'm holding the book that I also got for myself in Ukraine. It's in Ukrainian. It is by Marina Abramovich. Very famous in some narrow circles artist who is talking about her life transformations, talking about her artistic legacy, talking about I actually haven't read it yet, so I'm not gonna go too deep into the detail. It's just the clue that a book is well thought of, well sorted, it can be of a great interest to the person that you're gifting to. If you know this person pretty well, I think I could allow myself to gift my very close friends books, because I kind of understand the context in which they live, what kind of topics are interesting to them, which topics they would like to study a bit further and a bit deeper. That's why I believe that is a wonderful thought, a wonderful gift that you could think of, and it would not disappoint anyone. Please let me know in case you would like to receive more gift ideas from me in future. I really actually had a lot of fun making this video for you guys. Thank you very much for being here. I think that it's a wonderful chance for us to reconnect while we're having the holiday season and to reminisce, to have a good time together, to vibe, to rest, to actually relax physically and mentally, and to have better future, better hopes for the next year. I don't know how to tell you this, but you actually have to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Press a like to this video in case you did like it. I hope you did. And we'll see each other very soon.